Hey, and welcome back to Fat Kid Garage. In today's episode, we're going to get back onto a project that you guys haven't seen in a while. This is Project White Trash. Since the last video you saw of it, when I first got it, I have sold it to my buddy Tim, who's since done a lot of work to the truck. And today it's back in the shop because we're going to throw a new bedside on it from, looks like someone did a pretty wild burnout in the truck and tore the crap out of the side of the bed. So today we're going to put a new bedside on it. I'll go ahead and do a walk around of what Tim's done to it since then, and it's also got a new name now. It is Jenkins to go with Leroy, so we now have Leroy Jenkins. So let me go ahead and turn the camera around and show you the truck so far. All right, here's old Jenkins now. He put a Cervini cowl hood on it. It all has all new headlights and marker lights and fog lights through a grill in the bottom. Walk around this side. And these are the chrome factory 18-inch wheels he's put on it since then. This here is the bedside we are replacing. You can see the damage back here. It was pretty significant. We thought about having it repaired, but he ended up just buying a whole new bedside, so all it has to do is get repainted. It's pretty simple that we found out that you can actually remove the bedside without taking off the bed. I'll show you. We got bolts up here. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 bolts here. You have the inner wheel well bolts, and then there's one way up there by the cab on the inside that has to be removed. You also have to remove the tail light to get to a couple bolts. And I think we're on our last 2 bolts to get this bedside off. So I'll go ahead and set it up on the tripod. We'll get this thing off and hopefully it comes off in one piece. All right, got Tim here with me. We're gonna go ahead and remove these last 2 bolts and pull the whole bedside off. Ready? Oh, did you get the... Is there any more?
There's one down here.
Do you need a ratchet, or can you get to it? Long extension? I guess there's 3 more bolts. All right. About that. That was actually much easier than we thought it was going to be. We were thinking we were going to have to, here's some rubber still stuck to the bed from whoever did the burnout in the truck. So awesome. We'll go over, grab the new bedside and get it stuck on. All right, we got the new bedside here. We're just going to slide her on, see how she fits. Pull your side out. Pull your side out. Wow.
Glove.
And this bedside was actually removed from a Lightning. From what Tim was saying, he found that they did make steel and fiberglass bedsides for these. But this one is actually off of a Lightning, so I think he said ship to him was about $600, which is probably considerably cheaper than trying to have the bed fixed. And he planned on repainting the truck anyway, so this actually worked out pretty good. So we'll go ahead and get all the bolts in it, and then he'll be on his way. Alright, so here's what used to be white trash, now has been deemed Jenkins, looks like now. Got the new bedside on it. Threw some 99 to 2000 chrome wheels on it. There's that damaged bedside again. Again, would have been a kind of a bitch to fix. Ended up putting a pretty much full exhaust with cats on it because Colorado does require emissions. And here's the owner himself to tell you some of the plans in the future for his truck.
Yeah, so we've been talking about building this up to race each other. You know, that's why we came up with the whole Leroy Jenkins thing. So I think what we were going to try to do is, with this truck, have the full Stiflers package on it. So I got the control arms for the front. I've got the bars for the back. I have on order the True Track rear end, so that should be coming in shortly. What are some of the other things we're trying to focus on getting done on it? Pretty much just trying to get the suspension and everything done. I got the Vikings front and rears for it as well. So the ultimate goal is to try to beat him as he puts a Kenny Bell on his truck. I wanted to use what I have and try to go for that route. So, you know, next year the hopes are is a Whipple and a complete build, but we'll see because you know, Mama's got to have her bills taken care of as well. But that's the grand scheme of it, is to repaint it, either leave it white or go electric blue, because I miss that color in my F-150s, and my wife is kind of leaning that way as well. So again, you know, what Mama wants, Mama gets. But that's,
well, we also had to get the old fat kid hat to match the blue he wants to get for the truck.
Yep.
So.
But yeah, it's a dream come true, and you know, again, thank you so much, Curtis, for hooking me up and letting me let me live out my dreams that I've had since 2001 when I took one for a test drive. So it's finally here and it's finally reality.
Awesome. Well, there you have it. The other thing that Tim didn't mention that we did take care of today also, we took care of some vacuum leaks that he had the typical code. The turkey pan drain back had already been fixed on this, we found out today too. But stay tuned for more on this and Leroy. So hopefully we can get some side-by-side stuff. I think right now he'd walk me. He's got a pulley. He's got full exhaust, long tubes. My truck is just stock with an exhaust on it. So, but I do have that Kenny Bell sitting back in the wind. So thanks for joining me here at Fat Kid Garage, and stay tuned for more on this and Leroy. I'm out. Actually, we're out.